Kim again with tips and tricks on how to get our girls ready for their summer at Girl Scout camp. Today, let's talk about hygiene and getting dressed. It is very important that your camper knows how to get themselves ready for the day's activities in a quick and independent way. This includes dressing themselves, sometimes around their cabin mates, think gym class. They need to be able to locate their clothes and shoes and put them on efficiently so they'll be ready to go when the counselor is ready for them. And they need to be able to get in and out of their swimsuits. You'd be surprised how swimsuits can trip up our girls at camp. Make it a fun practice exercise when she gets her new suit for summer and she'll be ready to go. Does your kid have fidgety doodads? I know my kid has countless. I have literally lost count of how many fidgety doodads she has. Your camper is going to need to decide on her own whether or not to carry that little fidgety doodad with her or leave it in the cabin. She should leave it in the cabin, but she's going to need to know that. For most activities, all she'll need is her water bottle, her backpack, a cap, or bandana. And her counselor can tell her before an activity if something else is needed, like boots for the barn or a towel for water activities. Dealing with laundry is also something that may be new for your camper. They'll be expected to assess what's clean and ready to wear and when it's time to put something stinky in the laundry bag. Being an independent camper means taking care of basic daily hygiene like taking a shower and brushing teeth and hair, and keeping up with her toiletry kit, her toothbrush, her toothpaste, her comb, stuff like that. Girls must be able to handle their shower business on their own, as her privacy is of utmost importance. Shower stalls at camp are private areas with hanging pegs and benches for her shower kit, not like big open rooms in gym class. Work with your girl between now and her camp session on washing completely and quickly. So my daughter, she often needs extra help in the shower because she has dry, curly hair. So what I'm going to work with her on is making sure she knows that it's not just shampoo every day, but it's conditioner and comb while she's in the shower as well. So that's hygiene. Taking a couple of minutes with your daughter between now and camp to go over these items will make it easier for her, for our camp staff, and it'll make for a better summer.